Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So welcome in PMP online training, and we will discuss lot many things in this training. We will mostly follow PMI syllabus to uh, to go through with the training, with the online training. Let me introduce myself first. Before that, let's have little background about PMP training and what we are going to achieve it. So it's a new year. Still January is going on, and it's a right time to set new year resolution. Even because January is still on, and most of you guys think about acquiring new certification, learning new concepts, and acquiring new knowledge. So this is the right time to set that target. Still few days left in January. So set this target to achieve PMP certification in first quarter. And I will help you to get this certification. Whatever things we will discuss, we will discuss lot many things related to predictive project management as well as agile project management, and it will helpful to get you through with the certification. And if you work hard, if you study according to the requirement, I think in next 2 months you can achieve this PMP. This is not a big deal. So let's start new year with learning. We will learn lot many things in 1 month of duration. Let me introduce myself. Most of you already know me, but let me formally introduce myself. My name is Abhishek Prasun, and I have around 18 years of experience in IT industry, and I have worked with companies like NIT, HCL, Mastech, and Coforge. I have also achieved earned many certifications related to IT, technology, and management. I'm a winner of 2 awards, and I have also written 2 books on project management topics. These books are available on Amazon KDP. You can read this book if you want to enhance your knowledge in project management. I also publish article on regular basis on LinkedIn. I have posted 120 articles on technology as management on LinkedIn. I have trained more than 500 executives for PMP, PMI, ACP certifications, and I love yoga. If you want to know more about me, you can go to this URL on LinkedIn, and you can know more about me. Uh, in management certification point of view, I have done PMP certification and PMI ACP certification. I am Safe Agilist, and I am certified Scrum Master. So this is a small introduction about me. Let's move further. What I do, I help people to achieve PMP certification, PMI-ACP certification. If you are experienced person, you can target for PMP and PMI-ACP. If you are a student and you don't have enough information, then you can target for CAPM certification. This is my PMP certificate, which you guys are targeting. So if you are targeting for PMP, this is what you should target for. And I achieved this PMP certification in year 2017. Now it's almost 7 years to complete this certification. I have renewed my PMP certifications 2 times because every 3 years you need to renew this. And why I'm sharing this information, why I'm showing my certificate to you guys, because I want to build some credibility, some trust, so you can understand, okay, the guy which is currently in front of you, it's the capable enough, it has a credential to teach you project management certification. Hope I'm clear to everyone. Okay, so let's move further. Let's start with why, because once your why is clear, then how become clear itself. So first you need to understand why you want to do this certification, why somebody needs to target PMP certification. Then how part is easy, that we can address anyways. Okay. So let's target on few questions, few why part, why you should learn project management, why certifications is necessary, Why PMI, why PMP, and why Abhishek Prasoon? So let's address these questions one by one. Why you should learn project management? Let me share few data with you. Recently, I have searched project management term or PMP term in Naukri.com, and I found there are 32,000 jobs available on with the just PMP term in India. You can see date of a screenshot. This is 25th January. I have done this search work just 2 days before, 3 days before. Same search I have done on LinkedIn, and I found around 700 jobs available in India just by using PMP term. Even I have not used any project management or other term, just PMP term. So you can see there are plenty of jobs available in India which ask for PMP certification. They need a PMP certification as the eligibility criteria. And if you have PMP certification on your resume, you are eligible for these jobs, these many jobs. It's simply you will earn, if you are able to switch job, then you will earn more money and you will earn more respect. Let's see other why PMP. Here it's a worldwide data of PMP certified person. Here you can see I have data till 2021. I don't have recent data of past year. So till 2021, you can see almost 12 lakhs people completed PMP certification. So this certification is a lot of in demand. People are looking for certification which are really helpful for them to meet the project objective, implement project in a proper manner, manage project in a proper manner. That's why if PMP certification is on your resume, you are the most demanding person in the industry. Let's see few more data. Why PMP? I have taken this data from PMI website, official website. So now PMP is including predictive approach, agile approach, and hybrid approach. Earlier, PMP was only predictive plan-based approach, but now you can study agile and as well as hybrid approach in the PMP syllabus. So it will give you comprehensive view of the project management. Then PMP certified practitioner has a professional skill to lead the team and achieve the project result. PMP certification also satisfied the experience required to PMI-ACP certification or program management certification. Again, these certifications are from PMI. PMP certification is accredited as a recognized ISO 9001 and ISO 17024 standard. So these are international standard. If you have, if you know the things related to PMP, then you know those standardized things. People usually get 60% of 16% of higher salary if you have PMP certification rather than non-certified person. And till today, there are 14 lakhs people is PMP certification holder worldwide. So I can proudly say I'm one of those 14 lakh people across world. So do you think this 14 lakhs is a big number or it's a small number? What do you guys feel? Sweta, what is your take on this?
Yeah, so I think that this is a very small number and
Yeah.
it's good to have the certification.
Yeah, correct. So it is very small number considering the demand currently we have of certified project managers in the world. Okay. So it's a very small number. There are a lot of requirement available. Second benefit of PMP certification, it's an international certification. It is by PMI Institute US. So it is internationally recognized. You can work across world, anywhere of the part your demand is there. It's not just only for India. So this is second why. Let's see few more whys. Why you need to do certification, why you need to do PMP. So there are 90 million jobs currently required, available in like employees currently in the project-based industries across world, and there are 25 million new jobs available for project management professional by 2030. So there are a lot of demands coming into the picture in coming time. 12 million new employees driven to expand in 13 million driven by the, like, these force will go to retirement. That's why new demand of new professionals will come into the picture in coming time. Again, I have taken these data from PMI official website. So I think it is clear why PMP is required. Let's see what is Project Management Institute. Who is Project Management Institute? So Project Management Institute is an international non-profit organization which is situated in Pennsylvania, United States. It's founded in 1969. So it is pretty old organization. There are lot many members of PMI. You can see here more than 6,80,000 membership of PMI, and there are more than 300 chapters available across worldwide, 9 chapters even in India. So we are targeting project management professional certification, and this is one of the oldest certification of Project Management Institute. It's started from 1984, so it's pretty old certification. Okay, if you see predictive project management, there are very less competitor of PMP certification. Only I can compare with Prince 2, which is popular in UK and Europe, but rest of the world PMP certification is very popular. But if I compare it with Agile certification, there are lot many Agile certification available in the market. Lot many institutes actually provide Agile certification. I can compare my PMP certification with Agile certifications also, because PMP now also help to understand Agile practices. But this is the only certification which take care of Agile as well as predictive project management. In predictive size, you will not find much competitor. So if you want to learn predictive project management, then you don't have much choice. You don't have much option. So today we will discuss mostly about introduction to PMP certification, because today is the first day. Let's understand more about PMP, and from tomorrow onwards we will discuss concepts and topics related to project management. Let's have a discussion what is difference between PMP and PMI-ACP, CSN and PSM. Suppose if you already have PMI-ACP certification or CSM PSM certification, these are Agile related certification, then let's see what you will learn in PMP. So first difference between these two certification is PMP is broader, focused on traditional project management methodologies like waterfall, and it's cover entire project management life cycle from initiation till closure. Everything is included in the PMP. It's also emphasized more into predictive planning and control. But these Agile certification are mostly focused on Agile project management methodologies like Scrum, Kanban, Lean. It's emphasized on iterative development, flexible, and which is flexibility, which focus more on flexibility and adoption. And it's also take care of especially CSM and PSM only take care of execution of the work. It will not give you idea how you are going to start initiate a project, how you are going to close a project. Those aspects are missing in CSM PSM. PMP little emphasize on Agile, although Agile is a part of curriculum, but less emphasize on Agile. These certification emphasize a lot on Agile methodologies, even only emphasize on Agile methodologies. Then third difference is focus on overall project management life cycle from initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, controlling, and closing. Agile certification are focused on planning and execution part. PMP has a wider coverage of different project management knowledge area like scope, schedule, resource, budget, risk, quality, stakeholders, procurement. No, lot many things we will discuss in PMP. But these kind of coverage is missing in Agile certifications because they discuss mostly Agile aspect. PMP, we require detailed upfront planning, upfront risk management. In Agile certification, no such upfront planning or detailed upfront planning is required. Planning in Agile projects, we do planning on uh, different phase wise, like we do planning, sprint planning just for 15 days. Not upfront planning for entire project is required in Agile. PMP focused on project leadership, and Agile certification again focus on Agile methodologies and implementation. PMP is the #1 certification of project management number wise. PMI-ACP is growing popular. It's the fastest growing certification. It is getting popular day by day, but it will take some time. PMP is suitable for project managers, program managers, portfolio managers, delivery managers. So if you are higher rank in the organization, it is more relevant for you, or anyone who is seeking for general understanding of the project management principle. PMP is very suitable. PMI-ACP or other Agile certification are suitable for product owner, Scrum Master, or anyone willing to working in an Agile environment. Or it will also give you more idea if you are already working in Agile environment, then it will give you more idea about that environment. PMP is suitable for across industry. This is not a specific to IT industry or any specific industry. It is suitable for all the industry, and it's open the wider range of project management roles across organization. PMI-ACP is also suitable for across industry, but this is particularly very popular in IT industry or technology-driven field. PMP exam is difficult. It's not easy because PMI has a standard, and PMP maintain that standard. When you see the exam questions, options are very identical, and it will force you to think what is the correct answer. This is the quality of PMP. These certifications are not difficult as difficult PMP. That's why a lot of prestige associated with PMP certification. Any question on this slide on difference between PMP and other Agile certification? Am I clear to everyone? What is difference? Yeah. Okay, let's move further. Okay, so why Abhishek Prasun? So there are few advantages if you study PMP with me. I am authorized training partner instructor by PMI, and I have taken like I got training from PMI how to teach project management and cater the need of project management students, how I can explain different project management topics easily to my students, and they can easily grasp because they teach us many different method to teach how to teach project management. Like we take care of information or overload. There are a lot many information available on the internet, and you don't require all the information. You need only the relevant information to pass the certification. We also understand the need of modern learner. We can also understand attention span is very low nowadays, so we take care of those aspects while we teach. We also follow some methodology like 320B, 3 topics, 20 minutes, then take some breath. These kind of techniques we use to grasp different concept of project management. So this is my Cradley badge. You can go to this Cradley website and you can check my badge that I am authorized training partner instructor of PMP. Okay, let's have one small video. It's just a 2 minutes video, but it will help us to understand how these guys take the advantage of PMP certification and what benefit they received after getting PMP certification. Let me share sound. Sound is already shared. Let me start the video.
Everything that I do in a daily job is at least 95% related to what I learned during the PMP certification process. I'm a senior delivery manager at Mobiquity Inc., the IT service company. Before getting the PMP certification, I applied more chaotic approach. It was more like intuition based rather than the sharp facts, sharp knowledge, sharp experience, increasing the chances for success. My best advice to people starting out with the PMP preparation is to properly evaluate their starting level. It helps understand how much effort will be required for it. The cool part of being a project manager is to be able to work with many talented people across the globe on solving really complex business and environmental problems. Earning the PMP certification helps me pursue my career goals, gives me self-confidence and feeling that I can do everything. My name is Taras Fedoruk and I'm a PMP.
Okay,
Everything that I do, and
let's take one more example. It's again a very short video, but it will again helpful to understand how these people get benefit from PMP certification.
Doing PMP was the best decision of my life. I am working with the biggest consultancy organization, National Engineering Services of Pakistan, as a project coordinator. I'm working on the mega construction projects, which includes highways, bridges, underpasses. When I started my career at a junior level, I wanted to grow in the field of project management. And doing PMP, I just shifted my career from a project engineer to a project manager. While I was doing a project, we were stuck somewhere and the stakeholder was very difficult. My PMP actually helped me in managing that stakeholder well, and this is how we built the project deliverable successfully. Once you know where you are and you have figured it out that if you want to be a project manager, then this is the best journey you should opt for. It's a gateway for the networking events, and I know people on all continents and what is the implemented. Earning my PMP was a gateway to the unlimited opportunities in the field of project management. My name is Amara Shehzad and I am a PMP.
So intentionally, I have taken two examples. One is from IT and one is from non-IT, and I think it helpful to understand why these PMPs are suitable for modern age project management. There are some other benefit which you can have once you can study with me. So this will be a 1 month comprehensive program. It's around 35 hours we will study. I will share a lot many real life example because I have used project management experience. These are live Zoom classes the way currently we are connected. You will have access of lifetime of recordings. I will upload these recordings on Google Drive and you can have access. You can take 1 year retake of my classes. If Ankush, can you please go on mute? Yeah, thanks. Then I will also provide you exam application related support. If you want to fill your exam and if you have any difficulty, I can help you on that. I have a good collection of 2000 more questions. I will share those with you guys. You can solve those. These questions are with solution. You can check your solution in case if you face any difficulty, we can have follow-up sessions and we can discuss those questions in the class. Then I will also provide you 35 hours of contact hour certification, which will be helpful for you to submit your examination form. We will also help you for CV preparation and improve your LinkedIn profile. We will discuss some interview questions related to project management. So these kind of help I will provide you in coming time. Okay, let's move further. This is more information about PMP certification. Prerequisite is there are two types of prerequisite. One is if you have 36 months of experience, you can attempt this exam, and if you don't have graduation degree, then in that case you need 60 months of experience. We all are quite experienced here, so we need not worry about prerequisite. Examination wise, there are 230 questions and there are 180 questions and you need to finish this 180 question in 230 minutes. There are 2 breaks in during the exam. First break is after 60 questions you can take, and second break you can take after 120 questions. These breaks are optional. You can take it or you can leave it. If you average out this duration, you will have just 127 seconds for each questions. Examination fee, if you are a member of PMI website, then examination fee is 23,459 rupees. If you are a non-member, then examination fee will be 42,863 rupees. You need to book this exam directly through PMI website. You can create your login ID and credentials, and you can book your exam yourself. My role is nowhere in between. I will help you only for passing the exam, understanding the concepts. So let's see what are the reference material for PMP exam. If you see the PMI website, if you visit PMI website at this location, you will find PMI suggested these 10 books are required for PMP certification. And but they also mentioned as a note, these lists are just a reference purpose as a courtesy only, and PMI does not endorse non-PMI publication or warrant the accuracy of their content. But we all are working professional. It is very difficult for us to read these 10 books and prepare for the exam, because reading these 10 books will take a lot of time, lot of effort. So what I can help you guys, you just need to go through with my sessions, just attend my sessions and with attention. And we will discuss lot many concepts in the class. In case if some concept are still unclear to you and you face difficulty, then you can refer this exam preparation book by Rita. This will be available to you guys, and you just check those information which is still doubtful, and we can discuss anyways those doubtful things in upcoming classes, but this book you can use for reference purpose. If you have time and if you give some time, you can read this Agile practice book. I'm giving here PM book guide 6th edition. 6th edition is a pretty old book, but this a lot of information from PM book 6th edition is still worthful, and I suggest people to have one copy, digital copy of PM book 6. You can also refer time to time PM books 6, PM box 6 if required. There is a latest version of PM book 7 is also in the market. There are a lot of confusion related to exam content that we will discuss. Like people are confused whether PMP exam will be coming from PM box 6 guide or PM box 7th edition. Actually, exam is based on examination content outline, PMP examination content outline. Let me show you that PMP examination content outline. So this is examination content outline. This is a publication of PMI. This is freely available on internet. You can download from internet. I have also downloaded. I will share with you guys over the WhatsApp group. Here entire examination is divided into three domain, that is people, process, and business environment. And you can see the percentage of item for this domain. People is 42% of the examination, process domain is 50% of the examination, and business environment is 8% of the examination. Total 100% of the examination will come from these three domains. Again, these domains are divided into task and enablers. You can see these tasks are divided, and these are the enablers. There are multiple tasks in domain 1, 2, and 3, and we will follow this examination content outline to this is the syllabus of PMP exam. So we will follow this examination content outline during our study. Okay, we will not But whenever required, I will extract information from PMBOK and we will share. PMP examination handbook is also there. You can refer for exam related questions. This is again freely available on internet on PMI website. You can refer that. Let's have some FAQs, frequently asked questions related to PMI certifications. First question is if your examination application form fall under the audit, because there are 5% of examination application fall under the audit, then I will help you to come out from audit. I will help you to prepare a documentation. You need to submit those documents to PMI website and they will clear the audit. But 95% of application get through easily. Then let's see. What happened after 3 years when you finish like this certification? PMP certification is valid for 3 years. Do you need to again retake the exam after 3 years? No, you don't require to retake. After 3 years, you need to submit some PDOs, that is called Professional Development Unit, and it will helpful to renew your certification. You need 60 PDUs for your PMP examination and 30 PDUs for PMI-ACP examination. Sorry, I forget to mention here 30 PDUs for PMP, but for PMP it is required 60 PDUs. Let's see how you can acquire these PDUs. So these PDUs are divided into two parts. Education, if you do some education work, then you will earn some PDUs, or maybe you can provide some webinar or give some presentation. This way you can also earn some PDUs. So let's see a small video how you can earn PDUs once you acquire the PMP certification, just for renewal purpose.
In this video, you will learn
Yeah, sound is shared. Yes.
how to keep your PMP certification current. Passing your PMP exam is a big accomplishment. It's the start of your journey to stay relevant as the project economy evolves. Each learning activity you complete contributes to your PDUs, or professional development units, which collectively contribute to maintaining your certification. The formula is simple. 1 hour of learning earns you 1 PDU. From the day you pass your PMP exam, you have 3 years to earn and record 60 PDUs, or 60 hours of professional development. PDUs are part of what we call your continuing certification requirement. There are a number of ways to earn PDUs. PDU activities fall into 2 main categories: education and giving back to the profession. You'll need to earn a minimum of 35 PDUs in the education category, and you can earn a maximum of 25 PDUs from the giving back category. So what activities qualify for a PDU? Let's look at education first. We know life gets busy, so there are multiple ways to earn your education PDUs. You can attend an instructor-led class, in person or online. You can take part in a PMI chapter meeting or other meeting with an education component, or complete a self-guided online course. You can study professional books, articles, white papers, or blogs, or you can take part in informal educational activities, such as lunch and learn workshops. To keep your certification not only up to date, but broad and balanced, you need to log activities in each section of PMI's Talent Triangle. 8 PDUs in each of these 3 areas adds up to 24 PDUs. To reach 35 for the education category requirement, you can earn the remaining 11 PDUs in any of the 3 categories. Here are some examples. You could spend 3 hours reading a book on motivating teams and log 3 of the 8 PDUs you need in the Power Skills section of the Talent Triangle. You could take part in a 2-hour online course on, say, earned value management and log 2 of the 8 PDUs you need for ways of working. Or spend 6 hours in a workshop developing your company's mission and earn 6 of the 8 PDUs in business acumen. Life doesn't always happen in 60-minute segments, so we allow you to record your time in increments of 15 minutes. For example, that 90-minute lunch and learn would earn you 1.5 PDUs. That same principle applies to giving back to the profession. Again, there are multiple ways to earn these PDUs. You can author books, articles, or other training materials. You can give a presentation at a PMI chapter event or professional conference. You can volunteer to be on a PMI committee or give a nonprofit organization the benefit of your project management skills. Or you could mentor someone working towards their PMP exam. If your work involves using your PMP skills, that counts too, but only for a maximum of 8 PDUs in any 3-year cycle. But how do you record those PDUs and make them official? For that, you need your My PMI account. It's a simple way to track your hours and upload documentation to prove those hours if you are ever audited. As a member of PMI, you'll have many opportunities to earn your PDUs. As your 3-year renewal gets closer, we'll send you an email reminder to log your PDUs or make up any shortfall. When you reach your 60 PDU target, you simply submit your certification renewal fee. And from the date you first qualified, the clock starts ticking on another 3-year cycle of learning and giving back. Hopefully this has given you a clear idea of how PDUs are earned and logged. If you'd like more details at your fingertips, download our CCR handbook. And remember, your certification renewal is not the same as your PMI membership, which you should also keep up to date. Keeping your PMI membership current will give you access to a whole range of opportunities to learn and earn PDUs, as well as gain a discount on your certification renewal. Enjoy learning, enjoy giving back, and enjoy the journey as you maintain and grow your skills.
Okay. So this video help us to understand how
this-
to renew PDUs. Hope it is clear to you guys how you will maintain your PMP certification. One more question is, can you see examination slot before making any payment to PMI? Yes, you can check your examination slot at the Pearson website. And this will give you all the information related to seat availability and examination center. What are the things you need to consider while you attempt PMP certification? So you need government provided ID card, and that ID card will helpful because at the time of examination, they will ask that ID card to show on the camera. So any of the ID card will work, whether it's a passport or driving license or PAN number, anything which is government provided ID card. And your photo should be available on the ID card. Then which type of exam is better, proctor-based exam at home or center-based exam? There are 2 ways you can attempt PMP certification exam. One is proctored exam at home. Somebody will watch you during the exam, throughout the exam, when you are attempting the exam. Other way is you can go to any prometric testing center and you can attempt these exam from there. Both had its own advantage and disadvantage. If you are living in a small city, then these proctor-based exam are not available in a small city. You need to go to the big city. In that case, you need to travel. But if you are living in a Delhi or NCR, like a big place, big cities, then ideally you should go to center and attempt exam from there. Because at home you need to take care of internet connection, everything. There should not be any noise. If you do, a little movement, they might be cancel your exam. So it's advisable if you attempt exam from center. Then let's payment, anytime payment fee is subject to change. For recent fee, you can refer to PMI website. Is PMI membership is necessary? No, this is not necessary, but there are some advantages if you buy PMI membership. There are many facility available to members, but in order to attempt the exam, PMI membership is not necessary. You will get some discount on exam fee. So any question till here related to PMP exam? Otherwise, we will discuss how we are going to study and what we are going to cover in our study. Yes, I can see hands raised from Sweta. Yes, Sweta.
So what is the cost of the PMI membershiping?
It's approximately 10,000 rupees. Actual cost is 9,000 something. I'm not know the exact figure. You need to check online. But after adding some tax, it's above 10,000 rupees. 10,500, you can say in round figure.
Okay, and the other question is if I opt for any of the day for the exam and somehow I am not able to attend it, can I reschedule my exam or is again I have to pay the fees or what is the process?
Yeah, so you can reschedule the exam, but you need to pay some reschedule fee for that. There are $70 of rescheduling fee.
Okay.
Okay. Any other question related to PMP exam certification? No? Okay, let's move further. So this is how entire PMP exam is divided into three domain: people, process, and business environment. So you can see 42% for people, 50% for processes, and 8% examination is on business environment. These are the task level segregation which we have seen on examination content outline. So this is the simple calculation which I did basis on a total number of questions 180. So you will have 76 questions related to people, 90 questions related to process, and 14 questions related to business environment. But this is not so straightforward the way I have explained here. Many questions are overlapping between two and more domain. So you will not find clear-cut questions from one domain. There are many questions overlapping. So I cannot, explain this straightforward total number of questions. Just for your understanding purpose, I have made this table, number of questions. Okay. Again, entire domain are divided into two parts. One is task and enabler. Yeah, so I will take your question. Give me 1 minute. So entire domain is divided into task and enabler. So you need to study every task of the domain and again those enabler of the particular task. So this way we will study entire PMP related things. Yes, Sweta.
I want to have a more insight on the task, like what kind of tasks we have a different.
Yeah, sure. So we can again go back to this examination content outline. So here, let's take example of people domain. Here I have around 14 tasks are defined in the people domain. Here it's an example of one task that is manage conflict, and inside manage conflict, there are three enablers: interpret the source and stage of the conflict, analyze the context for the conflict, and evaluate and recommend, reconcile, and appropriate conflict resolution. So these are the things, these are enablers, and this is under manage conflict task. So this way, entire examination content outline is designed. It's a big document. You need to go through with lot many. You can see summary here. There are total 35 tasks are there. 14 tasks under people, 17 tasks under processes, and 4 tasks under business environment. So this is how entire examination content outline is structured. Syllabus is structured. PMP syllabus is structured. Clear, Sweta?
Okay.
Okay, let's move further. So this is how PM Box 6 was segregated. Although PM Box 6 is outdated now, PM Box 7 is the current edition. But PM Box 6 is still relevant because lot many information which is available in PM Box 6 is relevant. Even I refer many a time PM Box 6 because those information are not available in PM Box 7. PM Box 7 is not just extension of PM Box 6. Entire structure of PM Box 6 is changed. You will not find these kind of structure in PM Box 7. They discontinue this this way of structuring of project management concept. So when we prepare for the exam, we will also consider PM Box 6 many a time. Not all the time, but yeah, we will also consider PM Box 6. So entire PM Box 6 is divided into 5 project phases, that is initiation, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing. And again, this is divided into 10 knowledge areas: project integration management, project scope management, project schedule management, cost management, quality management, resource management, project communication management, risk management, procurement management, and stakeholder management. And whatever processes you are seeing in between knowledge areas and project life cycle, these are the different processes which fall under different knowledge area as well as different phase of the project. So we will refer it whenever required on need basis. Let's see how I segregated entire learning things for our course. So I have divided entire course into 6 lessons. Number one lesson is, first lesson is business environment. Then lesson 2 is start the project. Then lesson 3 is plan the project. Lesson 4 is lead the team. Lesson 5 is support project and team performance. Lesson 6 is close the project and phase. Why I have taken, why I have structured my course in a such a manner? Because PMI provide student workbooks to registered students, and same way they have a structured students workbook. So I just want to follow the PMI guideline. That's why same way we will study in our class. Again, these lessons are divided into multiple topics, and this way we will complete the entire course. We will very fast. We will do this class on daily basis, 9 to 11. And we will try to complete more than one topic in our 2 hours of duration, or maybe 2-3 topics we will cover, because I have to complete entire course before 26th of February. That's why we will pretty fast to cover, complete the syllabus. In case for some reason, if I'm not able to complete the course by 26th of February, in that case, we will continue these classes on weekends only, Saturday, Sunday. Is it clear to everyone? Like till 26th of February, we will do every day this class. But in case if we are not able to complete, then we will finish on weekend. Okay. So it's like 1 month of effort is required from your side, like participation in the class, ask relevant questions, come up with the doubts so we can discuss those things in the class. And this class is very useful for everyone who are already project manager. Like Ankush is a seasoned project manager and Scrum Master. This class will be very helpful. And few of you are project manager aspirant. You guys are looking forward to build your career in the project management. This class will definitely very much helpful for you guys. Okay. Let's see how we will discuss other stuff. So PMP consists agile as well as predictive. So we will pick the topic and we will discuss both the ways, how it is in predictive, how it is in the adaptive project management. We will also see the pros and cons of both the ways of working. Then I have created a small roadmap for PMP certification, how we will achieve PMP certification. So attend this training. This is you will have all the related relevant knowledge related to certifications in the sessions. Then attempt mock test, because mock test will help you to concrete your concept. Mock test will help you to understand your problem area. Once you understand that problem area, then you can start working on that direction. Then clear your concept. Maybe after attempting mock test, some of your doubts, some of your concept will be clear for real exam. Then fill the exam application form and attempt the exam and celebrate. We will enjoy together your certification. Your achievement is my achievement because somehow I contributed in your achievement. We will, celebrate together. This is my last slide of this presentation. Let me know what is your expectation from this training. What are your expectation? Am I like fulfilling your expectation, or if there is something you can explain, I can modify our entire planning basis on your expectation. Let's start with one by one. Let's start with Sweta. So Sweta, do you feel this class will meet your expectation, and the plan we have just shared that will meet our your certification related requirement? What is your opinion on that?
The roadmap looks very good to me, and the plan which you have shared, what would we would be getting in this classes. I hope that the certification would be easy to crack it. So it looks pretty good to me as of
Yes,
now.
definitely. Vivek, what do you like see this plan?
Yeah,
This is what you
yeah,
are expecting from this class?
yeah, definitely what I was expecting, and definitely you explained very well. And I hope it's in future. I will get the PMP certification with the
Yeah.
help of training. Yeah,
Yeah, great. So let's work hard on that direction. You will
yeah,
definitely
sure,
achieve.
definitely.
Yeah. Mrityunjay, what is your expectation from this class?
Course structure is fine, and your presentation is very good.
Oh,
So I'm very
thanks a lot.
impressive, and we just follow your instruction,
Mhm.
and just follow your instruction,
Yeah. So Ankas, I know you are.
and course content also.
Yeah, thanks, Mrityunjay. So Ankas, I know you are not looking for any certification, but yeah, definitely the like things concept we will discuss in this class will definitely helpful for you.
Yeah, thanks, Abhishek. So yeah, so just brushing up the things so that in my career,
Yeah.
like if I want to achieve in higher position, like at
Yes.
least I can crack some interviews.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
So today it's just a introduction session, and today we just discussed about what is PMP certification, what are the different aspect of PMP certification, how to achieve it, what are the things we will study. So those aspects we discussed today. Tomorrow onwards we will study exact topics, exact concept, which is aligned with examination content outline, PMP examination content outline. And just be ready for a very fast pace, because we will be very fast, because I have to finish everything before 26th of February. Okay, so expect maybe sometime you need little bit more you need to involve, or maybe we will cross the time limit of 2 hour. Maybe sometime we will discuss 2 hours 10 minutes, or 2 hours 14 minutes 15 minutes. So be ready for those aspect. Rest of the things we can, collaboratively we can complete this course. Okay, any final questions, anything which you guys want to ask? Sweta, any question in your mind?
So I was thinking, like there are many vast things which you have put it in the presentation, and we don't get much of the time during the session to go through each of the line and have the conversation regarding that. I would suggest that after every of your session, at least 15 minutes of the time, we would have the question and answer kind of what we have learned previously before the starting of the next session.
Sure, Sweta, that we will take care. And recordings of the session will be available to you after the session. You can go through with those recordings, and in case if you have any doubt, you can ask question in next session. I will also share PPT deck URL of this presentation. You can go through it with it, and in case if you have any question, you can ask question in the WhatsApp group, and I will reply it. And in case we need further discussion, then we can utilize next session time for it. Okay.
Yeah.
In
So you will be sharing the whole deck as of now?
no, today I will
No.
share today's
Whatever
deck.
we have. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so today's deck I will share with you guys. I will host it on SlideShare, and I will share the link of SlideShare deck. You can refer it throughout of your life, because this will available there throughout the life. But whatever deck I will use from tomorrow onwards, that I will not going to share with you guys. Only recordings will be available to you guys. You can refer recordings, and if you need some selected part of the deck, then I can provide some selected part of the deck, but not entire deck. I can provide you hands out, like it's a one page document. There 4 slides are together in one page, that I can provide you. Okay.
It sounds pretty good.
Yeah. Okay. If we don't have any other question, then we can wind up this session. Thank you everyone for joining. Let's continue this journey. Thanks. Thank you everyone for participation.
Thank you,
Thanks.
Abhishek. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Take care.